from Camp Easterseals, Virginia here. We are going to be making a snowstorm in a jar. So some items you will need is a jar. You can use baby oil or vegetable oil is perfectly fine. It will just be a little bit yellowish. You'll need some white paint, water, which I already have in my jar for me, silver glitter, and I have some blue mixed in there, some Alka-Seltzer tablets, some blue food coloring, some measuring cups, and a mixing spoon. To begin, you're going to take your vegetable oil and you are going to pour it into your jar about 3/4 of the way up. So, like I said, I had vegetable oil on hand, so mine's just going to be a little bit of a yellow. Then you're going to take some very warm water, which I have already in mine, and a teaspoon of white paint. And you are going to add it to the mixture, stirring it all together to make it kind of a whitish color. Now mine's going to be a little bit off, like I said, because I had vegetable oil instead of baby oil. So mix it real good. Mix it until the paint dissolves. Looks good. Okay. Then you are going to add the food coloring if you want. So I'm going to add a few drops of that for you all. I just added about 5 or 6 drops. Then I'm going to add my glitter. I'm going to mix that all together. Okay. Now, to make the snowstorm, you're going to take your Alka-Seltzer tablets and you're going to open them. And you're going to break them into pieces. And they break pretty easily. So, see? I broke mine super easy. I'm going to move this closer to you all. And you're going to drop them in. So it'll take a little bit for it to work, but and the top of it's bubbling. I'm going to drop this big one in. You can see the top is bubbling here, and on my, I'll show you the back side here. You can see moving around. A few more, we'll add some more. So you can see that it's fizzing, moving. It's a kind of a slow snowstorm, slow moving one today. So mix it up a little bit too. over here you can see the blue food coloring kind of dropping down and everything. So that is a snowstorm in a jar for you all. And you guys can sit here and observe it all day long. I'm sure it's going to take a while for it to go. But I hope you have fun and you enjoy your snowstorm in a jar.